ngifuna sibheke kancane mhlambe 5 minutes or 10 minutes sibheke kancane into yamaphupho. Kezwakala? Ngithandaze kaningi ukuthi ayembulekwe exactly ngendlela eyiyona. Mhlambe nginithathe phezulu bekumele ngiqale nginithathe phansi about the dream. That is why I decided ukuthi for your sake, not my sake, ngicompromise ngize ngiye ngisho eBhayibhelini just to make these subjects clear. Genesis 37. Fundis, please. Genesis 37, just to make you understand. Because once wangawa understand amaphupho, uzohluleka ukuqonda ukuthi in every problem solution are provided. And ama solutions are provided before ama problems efike. Ayikho inkinga efika kuqala takamahlangu isolution ingakafiki. Mhlambe mangase futhi ngibe deep to one of people ababebizwa ngama dreamers in the Bible, Solomon. Remember, before abe ne problem kwafika isolution iqala. Mayelele ebusuku uNkulunkulu ubuza kuye, Solomon ngikwenzeleni? Uthi ngiphe ukuhlakanipha nokuqonda. Then when you wake up in the morning, problem arrived. But a problem ifika isolution isenjani seyikho. The reason why you are deep in crisis yingoba you are not able to interpret your dreams. Zonke lezi zimo ohlangabezana nazo, solution has been provided long time ago before uhlangane nalezimo ohlangene nazo. And iphupho malifika li naked, lingaqokanga. Ukwembathiswa kwephupho is the interpretation of the dream. So a dream without an interpretation is just naked dream. And the iphupho can take you 7 years back. Lingakubuyisela eminyakeni ewu7 noma ewu10 ezinto ezenzakala. Iphupho lingakubuyisela ngisho ezintweni ezenzeka before you were born, because your dreams are your spiritually interaction. Ila amaphupho akho efanshina khona in the spirit. So once wahlulwa uku-interpret amaphupho akho, you cannot travel 7 years back in your life. Watch me. So if you can't interpret your dreams, you cannot communicate with your past. And in your dreams, you can still communicate 7 years to come in your future. Remember, mtaka mahlangu mangabe kuzoba nendlala ka 7 years eGibhithe. God already provided solution before the problem arrived. Isolution yafika 7 years before inkinga ifike. So maye phupha uJoseph uthi eminyakeni ewu7, not tomorrow, eminyakeni ewu7 ezayo. There is a solution to solve a problem that is coming 7 years in the future. So in every problem, solutions are provided through your dreams, because that's the only platform where God can interact with you. ayikho enye indawo uNkulunkulu angaxoxa nawe ngayo. Ayikho enye indawo izithunywa zakini ezingaxoxa ngayo nawe ngaphandle kwamaphupho akho. So when you taking for granted your dreams, it may be happen you are messing with your future. All right. Akusiwo wonke amaphupho esimanje. Iphupho aliphili kwimanje lomuntu. Iphupho liphila in the past or else in the future. But majority of our dreams are our future. Amaphupho wethu wonke ayikungomuso lethu, ayikusasa lethu, and they are trying to communicate with us, giving us solutions for problems that are coming. There is not even a single problem efika kumuntu isixazululo sakhona singekho. Isixazululi asifiki emva kwenkinga. Okay, if you are a bad dreamer, you meet your problems before you discover your solutions. But if you are a good dreamer, ayikho into ekusurpriseayo, because yonke into ithi fika usuku usuyazi. Even the characters abantu abaseduze kwakho maweshintsha, you are able to interpret what is going to happen. Listen carefully to this. Please read verse number 1. Yes.
Jacob lived in the land of his fathers.
Yes.
In the land of Canaan.
Okay, why you Jacob wahlala? Okay, Quebec.
These are the generations of Jacob.
All right. Amanye ama interpretation funda kwelakho ngiso.
uJakobe wakha ezweni lokugogoba kukayise.
Ezweni lokugogobala, izwe lokuhlala temporarily. Why uJakobe akhe ezweni temporary? Because Jacob was looking for a city in the future. So for Jacob ukuzayazi future fanele ahlale ezweni lokugongobala qala. Because uJacob uzophupha iphupho lekusasa, but the future of Jacob is not here, is there. So even the environment can control your dreams. Indawo ohleli kuyona, what kind of environment? Wahlala because he was waiting for a promise, but akasazi isithembiso usezweni lokugongobala. Mayisezweni lokugongobala is waiting patiently for a dream. One dream. Kulinde iphupho elilodwa lekusasa. Njengoba nawe you are not permanent on that situation, but kuleso simo kusona sometimes you will dream on that situation, because usezweni lokugongobala, usezweni lesikhashana. You must know this very carefully as lento le. Alikho izwe lokuhlupheka elipermanent empilweni yomuntu. Angiphinde futhi, alikho izwe lokuxakeka elipermanent empilweni yomuntu. Alikho izwe, but the problem ukuthi mawusubhajwe kulesi simo uya understand yini ukuthi lelizwe okulona akusilo izwe lenguna phakade. You are just the temporal. In any problems that you are facing, it's the temporal problems. But make sure you don't lose a dream that will take you out of that temporal land. Izokulona izwe lesikhashana, ungalenzi iphutha kodwa lokulahlekelwa yiphupho elizokukhupha kulelozwe. Because kunama problems ongasoze waphuma kuona because you've missed the dream that will take you out. Iphupho elizokukhipha. Qhubeka. Please, qhubeka noma bani. Qhubeka.
These are the generations of Jacob.
Yes.
Joseph,
Yes.
being 7 years old, was pursuing the flock with his brothers.
Yes.
He was a boy with the sons of Bala and Zilpah,
Yes.
his father's wives. And Joseph brought a bad report to them, to their fathers. Now Israel loved Joseph.
Okay. Israel loved Joseph. Okay. Let us hear the reason why Israel loved Joseph. Yes.
Now Israel loved Joseph more than any other of his sons,
Okay.
because he was the son of his old age.
Ngoba waye umntwana wasebudaleni bakhe. Wamthanda uJosepha ngoba wayebuntwana. Wayemthanda because ngesikhathi emthola wayengasayitshela ukuthi in this problem can be a solution. But later in his old ages a solution came. Then Joseph came. Ebudaleni bakhe uJosepha waqhamuka. La engasazi khona ukuthi khona into engaba imbewu engavela, kodwa ebudaleni bakhe boom uJoseph wavela. I wish you can hear me 10 times. Ebudaleni bakhe la engasayitshela ukuthi I can be productive again in life. Kunabantu engizokhuluma nabo babanjwe isizini yasebudaleni babo, abacabanga ukuthi anything good can come out of them, but boom, Jacob came. Ngizokhuluma nomuntu osehlala ezikweletini wazathi mina this is my life isebudaleni bami la. Khuluma nomuntu ohlele enhluphekweni oseze wathi ebudaleni bami there was no way out for Jacob, but ebudaleni bakhe la engasayitshela ukuthi angaproduce khona abantu abazophuma enhluphekweni bengasayitshela ukuthi ngisengaphuma kulesimo, because lesimo has been there from my father's father, kubaba katata wami, kumama kamama wami. I've been here, I've been stuck in this problem, but in his old age Jacob, Joseph came. You shall not die on that situation. You may think you are not productive any longer. Ungayitshela ukuthi akusekho kuhle okuzokwenzeka, you've lost it all in life, there is no hope, akusekho lutho awunathemba, kodwa uNkulunkulu can produce ngisho ebudaleni bomuntu. Awu ngiyakhuluma ngithi mina usufuna umsebenzi wawucinga ngapha in every four corners of the world, but kwangaba khona okuqhamukayo. But he loved Joseph because ebudaleni bakhe khona into eyaqhamu. Ngiyaprofeta khona into ezovela kuwena. Bazokubuza bethi hayibo kwenzeke kanjani, ngoba abathakathi babevale endleleni zonke kanti abazi ukuthi ebudaleni uNkulunkulu uyasebenza. I prophesy, may you see the glory of God ensukwini zakho. uNkulunkulu engasayitshela ukuthi uyazala wamnikeza into ayithanda kakhulu. Wamnikeza into ayithanda kakhulu, kodwa engasayitsheli ibhengu ukuthi angazala, but uNkulunkulu waqhamuka nento ayithanda kakhulu, ngoba into yakho ayithanda kakhulu isesandleni sikaJehova. When time comes akekho ozomvalela. Wavela nento ayithanda kakhulu. Now nento ayithanda kakhulu. Now tshela umakhelwane ukuthi isesandleni sikaJehova nento ayithanda kakhulu. Phana ngiyakuthandazisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu angasho apha ephethe lento ayithanda kakhulu. Awubakhetha ngizwa uphethe into ayithanda kakhulu. May you show up. May you show up. Oh, may you show up. May you show up. Angazi noma wayehamba kakhulu noma wayehamba kancane noma wayagijima, but I know wa show up uThixo sengathi anga show up nakuwe. May you show up.
Oh, hallelujah.
After he lost hope ukuthi lento engiyithanda kakhulu angisophinde ngiyithole, after sesebenzisa insebenzo wayibiza lento ayithanda kakhulu yangavela, after esesebenzisa untabadilika wayibiza lento ayithanda kakhulu, but like God show up, the Lord bless. uNkulunkulu wavela wathi mayevela and he gave him, wamnikeza. Awubaba banike namhlanje. Waqhamuka ephethe lento ayithanda kakhulu. How show up, angazi ngathi ngingahlala nje la ukuthi show up. He showed up. He showed up. Ezwe nokongobala, but God showed up. Listen, when he showed up, he doesn't show up empty-handed. Mayke wehla wafe awungiyamuzwana namhlanje wehlile la endlini. Uma eke wafika, ufika aphethe something. Sebehlekile amakhelwane bathi uyofela emjondolo avela qhamuke aphethe something ngesandla aphethe isikhiye semention athi it's time now. In the midst of your betrayal, avela qhamuka kubambe ngesandla athi now is my time, now is my turn. He showed up and he carries something that he